Abhimanyu, the son of Arjun and Subhadra. Subhadra is sister of Lord Krishna and Arjun is one of the Pandavas. Abhimanyu was a brave and courageous warrior like his father Arjun. In Mahabharata, he played very big role. He is remembered as a true and courageous young prince who did not leave the battlefield. He did not get scared about his death also. In the childhood, Abhimanyu was in Dwarka. He was trained by Pradyumna, the son of Lord Krishna. His father arranged his marriage with Uttara, the daughter of King Virat. 16 years old Abhimanyu took part in the war and killed warriors like Kumar Lakshman, son of Duryodhan and king of Koshala. On the 13th day of battle, the Kauravas challenged Pandav's side to break Chakravyuh. Chakravyuh is a formation which is a circle formed trap. No one can easily break and get back out of it. It was made by Kauravas during Mahabharata to kill Abhimanyu and win a part in the war. Pandavas accepted the challenge. Only Arjun and Abhimanyu knew how to break Chakravyuh, but Abhimanyu knew only how to cross it, not how to come out from it. On that day, Krishna and Arjun were dragged into another site of fighting. Pandavas had only Abhimanyu to fulfill the challenge. They could not have broken the commitment. Rest of Pandavas decided to go with Abhimanyu to assist him. Abhimanyu used his skills to break Chakravyuh and everyone followed him to get into formation of Chakravyuh. But on the way, Jayadratha stopped the Pandavas. He had boon from Shiva to hold Pandavas for only one day. In the story, Abhimanyu was alone. When Abhimanyu's charioteer stopped the chariot and asked him to not to continue towards Dronacharya because the charioteer was scared about Abhimanyu. Then Abhimanyu answered, "Who is Drona? I can fight with Indra also. This entire army is not equal to my power. You move chariot." Abhimanyu caused massive destruction to Kauravas' army. He defeated Dronacharya, Kripacharya and Drona's son Ashwathama also. But soon he came near to death. Karna shot an arrow, broke his bow. Then he attacked from behind. Abhimanyu had only a sword in the hand and used the broken chariot's wing as a shield. At the end, Abhimanyu was killed brutally. Abhimanyu's wife Uttara was pregnant. When Abhimanyu died, Krishna saved her when Ashwathama fired Brahmastra at her in revenge. Now let's talk about why Abhimanyu didn't know how to come out from Chakravyuh. As unborn child in his mother's womb, Abhimanyu learnt the knowledge of entering into Chakravyuh. When Arjun was explaining about Chakravyuh and whatever Arjun was saying, Abhimanyu was listening it from within inside. After some time, Arjun's wife Subhadra slept. Then Arjun stopped explaining Chakravyuh's cap when he saw Subhadra slept while listening. In the result, the unborn Abhimanyu could not listen how to get back from Chakravyuh. That was the reason Abhimanyu could not get out from it and was killed. Abhimanyu's death was a horrific shock to his father Arjun. Arjun killed Jayadratha. Lord Krishna knew that his assassination would act as a trigger and a turning point in the war, and it would turn the tide in the Pandavas' favor. By killing Abhimanyu, Kauravas committed a major breach in the ethics of war. Until that time, Pandavas didn't use their potential, but then Arjun vowed and ensured that Jayadratha died a horrific death. All the Pandavas finished off every evil person who had targeted Abhimanyu. The assassination of Abhimanyu proves if anyone was defeated, even he would be remembered for a long time. If he fights till the last drop of blood. It's same with a 16-year-old boy. He was defeated by a big army and great soldiers, but he was alone. No one was there to support him. He fought alone with full power, and that's the reason why we remember him. He is a great warrior who did not surrender in front of fear.